Dear kids, read the letter O. It makes sound A. Orange. Orange starts from the sound A. Say aloud more words that start from the sound A.
O
Is for owl.
O
Is for ostrich.
O
Is for octopus. Trace and color. Let's trace the letter O, which sounds
O.
rhyme O. O is round and round. Trace all the letter properly. Wow! Time to color the orange. Trace and write. Do you know, kids? O, which sounds
O
is a grass letter. Letters which exactly fit between two middle lines are grass letters. Now, trace and write the letter O properly. Progress check. Color the picture and circle the beginning sound
O.
One is done for you. Owl starts with sound
O.